Hey y'all! Today, we're diving into the vibrant and colorful world of Jamaican slang. Jamaica is not just about its stunning beaches and reggae music, it's also about the unique way people communicate. The island's language is a beautiful blend of English and African influences, creating a rich tapestry of expressions that are as lively as the culture itself. Get ready to be amazed by some of the most unusual and fun expressions from the island. Jamaican slang is full of surprises, and it reflects the island's laid-back, joyful spirit. Whether you're at a beach party or a local market, you'll hear phrases that will make you smile and maybe even scratch your head in confusion. We're talking about those words and phrases that make you go, "Wait, what?" But don't worry, that's all part of the fun. Jamaican slang is meant to be playful and engaging, and it's a great way to connect with the locals. Imagine walking through a bustling market and hearing someone say, "Wagwan." It means, "What's going on?" And it's a friendly way to greet someone, but also make you want to jump up and dance to some reggae music at the same time. The rhythm of the language is infectious, just like the music. When you hear phrases like eerie, which means all right or good, you can't help but feel the positive vibes. It's like the words themselves are dancing to a reggae beat. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a linguistic journey that's full of surprises, laughter, and maybe even a little bit of head-scratching. Jamaican slang is a reflection of the island's diverse history and culture. From the days of the Maroons to the influence of Rastafarianism, each word and phrase has a story to tell. And as we explore these expressions, you'll get a deeper understanding of what makes Jamaica so special. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be speaking Jamaican like a pro. Or at least sounding like you just stepped off the plane from Montego Bay. Let's get started. Whether you're planning a trip to Jamaica or just want to impress your friends with some cool new phrases, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of Jamaican slang. One love, and let's get this journey started. Or at least sounding like you just stepped off the plane from Montego Bay. Let's get started. The adventure awaits, and who knows, by the end of this, you might just find yourself booking a ticket to experience it all firsthand. Let's dive in. Okay, first up we have boonoo-noo-noos. Try saying that 5 times fast. But seriously, this word is pure gold. It's like the Jamaican version of precious or beloved. Imagine your grandma's secret recipe for jerk chicken. That's boonoo-noo-noos. Or your brand new pair of sneakers that you saved up for months to buy. Also boonoo-noo-noos. It's all about those things and people in your life that hold a special place in your heart. So next time you want to express some serious love and appreciation, you know what to say? Boonoo-noo-noos. Next up is Irie. This word is all about good vibes and positive energy. Think of it as the Jamaican equivalent of cool, awesome, or everything's all right. It's like when you're chilling on the beach, sipping on a cold coconut, and the sun is setting over the ocean. That's the definition of Irie. But it's not just about feeling good. It's also about having a positive outlook on life. So next time someone asks how you're doing, hit them with an enthusiastic Irie man and spread those good vibes around. Now let's talk about Wagwan. This is your go-to greeting in Jamaica. It's like saying, "What's up?" or "How's it going?" But with a Jamaican twist. You can use it with anyone, from your best friend to the cashier at the grocery store. And the best part, it's super versatile. You can say it with a casual head nod, a big smile, or even a little dance move. So next time you're in Jamaica, ditch the hello and impress the locals with a friendly Wagwan. Alright, next up is zine. This little word speaks volumes. It's like saying, "I understand, I agree," or "I feel you," all rolled into one. It's like when your friend tells you about their crazy day and you just nod your head and say, "Zine, zine." Or when someone gives you some sage advice and you're like, "Zine, you're absolutely right." It's all about showing that you're listening, you're engaged, and you're on the same page. So next time you want to express your understanding and agreement, just drop a zine and you're good to go. Now let's get real for a second. We've all been in those situations where we're packed like sardines in a crowded space. Whether it's a bustling market, a jam-packed bus, or a busy festival, navigating through a sea of people can be quite the challenge. Well, in Jamaica, they have the perfect phrase for that: small up yourself. This phrase is more than just a way to ask for space. It's a cultural expression that embodies the spirit of community and respect. It's like saying, "Excuse me, move over a bit," or "Can I just squeeze past you?" But it's not just about the words, it's about the attitude. When you say "small up yourself," you're not just asking for space. You're doing it with a smile and a nod, acknowledging the other person's presence, but with a Jamaican flair. This phrase captures the essence of Jamaican hospitality and the easygoing nature of its people. It's a reminder that even in the most crowded situations, there's always room for kindness and consideration. It's all about politely asking for a little bit of space without causing any drama. In a world where personal space is often at a premium, Small Up Yourself is a gentle nudge to be mindful of others and to share the space we have. So next time you're navigating a crowded market or trying to get on a packed bus, remember this Jamaican wisdom. It's not just about getting through the crowd. It's about doing so with grace and respect. Just remember to small up yourself and you'll be good to go. Embrace the spirit of the phrase and you'll find that even the most crowded places can become a little more bearable and maybe even a bit more enjoyable. Last but not least, we have juk. This word might sound unfamiliar to many, but it carries a lot of cultural weight in Jamaica. Now, before you get any ideas, this word has nothing to do with fighting or violence. It's not about aggression or hostility. In Jamaican slang, juk means to poke or jab someone playfully. It's a term that embodies the spirit of fun and camaraderie. It's like when you're joking around with your friends and you give them a little nudge with your elbow. That small gesture that says, "Hey, I'm just messing with you." Or when you're teasing your sibling and you give them a playful poke in the ribs. It's a way to show affection and bond with those close to you. It's all about that lighthearted, fun-loving energy that Jamaicans are known for. This playful interaction is a cornerstone of social life in Jamaica. So next time you want to add a little bit of playfulness to your interactions, just remember to juk responsibly. It's a great way to break the ice and bring a smile to someone's face. Whether you're with friends, family, or even new acquaintances, a playful juk can lighten the mood and create a sense of connection. Just remember, it's all in good fun. The key is to keep it light and enjoyable for everyone involved. So go ahead, embrace the spirit of juk, and spread some joy and laughter wherever you go. After all, a little playfulness can go a long way in making our interactions more memorable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you enjoyed learning these cool Jamaican slangs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Now go out there and impress your friends with your newfound Jamaican vocabulary. Who knows, maybe one day you'll even be fluent enough to visit Jamaica and chat with the locals like a true yardie. Until next time, keep it irie.